still watching
Mag TV, the Aton Este, and our endless learning for what seems to be an infinite number still goes on.
E-Burns, you're right, yauwiyo kay suerte daw el numero 9 para sa tiyan Lucky 9, especialmente na mga kapamilya detong Chinese. Di ba nasan ba si Bern?
Sabi gadyo, bepo ko lang gadyo sa maskin dol, chinita milkar. Por eso, takikita our na un Chinese temple para uwi ang mga kontestasyon del un reliable source di aton.
Bene kamag, isa ba kita el verdad na?
Numero del mga Chino.
Nine for the Chinese people, especially for the emperor, it is a lucky number because it symbolizes endurance, patience, long life, no perpetuality. The robe of the emperor usually has 9 dragons in it because it symbolizes harmony.
El número 9 como un símbolo de mágica y fuerza del Chinese dragon, tiene 9 forma, que tiene 9 attributes y 9 anak. Tiene 117 scales, 81 aquí el yin y 36 el yang. Si mira kita, todo es multiple de 9.
Emperors in China, they would love to use it anywhere. They are represented with other symbols that will connote the 9. Those round things that you see on the doors, the windows, the stairs, the emperor would like to give to the court the 9 test or the 9 rules. If they cannot pass it, they will not be able to enter, to become part of the court. This has nothing to do with our religion, except what I've read is that it speaks about the 9 gates of heaven. We see the 9 as something that is fruitful. If you are wishing people, they usually use the 9, no, to wish good luck.
Sabi pa to Bern, kay aparte kay lucky number 9 ng mga Chino, na kultura dila ta consider namin sila como sublang. Kung year ba to Bern?
I'm 19 years old, Yakikay.
So, celebrate ba to dito yung 19th birthday?
Since hindi man yung ben pure Chinese, akil pirmi lang ko sa taset ako may kami na restaurant ni Mio Pamilya, yan overnight yun ang hunto do Mio classmates. Kumang kostumbre, hindi kayo ben pirmi ta celebra el aka 9, 19, 29 ng mga kumpianyo ng mga yente. Por que gahase?
Well, sabi sa kita.
We want to avoid that negativity, a connotation that on birthdays they don't want the 9 because some people would explain that when you make 9, it goes down, no? It is an odd number. So to complete it, they would rather have it into a 10, no?
Siendo también el last single number, es considerado como number of finalization. Kung sa bagayo debe el di aton final decision, kamag.
It's a do or a don't, no? It's an old stuff, but as a Chinese, it will preserve my identity. It will also bring me to continue the past, you know, so that these things will not die, this with so-called culture and tradition.
Whether lucky o unlucky, el number 90 kay, kita lang kayo dahil pwede dikta kunese.
Justo sa Berna, si onde ina ko sa mga kita takre, amo kita tan attract, amo el ko sa tapasakanaton ina manada, suerte el number 9 kay kada alas 9 del aga taman air es Mag TV. On a serious note, manada as a suerte, diba, na mucho magahente.
Kikay, sir, kaya kabaal di atong programa. Pero siya nagayod un lugar no pwede kita hindi anda na este episodyo.
Yes, kamags. Bene, cause you wouldn't want to miss this kay este oportunidad es hindi firme. Para sa kamags, let's go!
Ward 9 is a psychiatry ward. Patient is not already manageable and can inflict harm to himself or to others who are having already the symptoms of a psychiatric disorder like major depression, suicidal, assaultive. That is the one that is being admitted.
Structured el mga actividades de ila cada día, donde asegurado que entrao el mga normal activities of daily living del un persona.
Actually, meron silang socialization every day, meron silang art therapy, meron silang occupational therapy wherein gumagawa sila ng mga yung maths, yung mga potholders. Pag uwi na sila, pag magaling na sila, meron silang gagawin sa bahay.
Kontinuamente ta suporta el Ward 9 kun el mga kapamilya di aton kamags para pwede sila kada independente in handling their mental health.
When we talk about mental health, we should always look at the 5 aspects in our life. First is our physical, meaning how we feel about the well-being. Do we have any body pains, as well as the appetite and the sleep. And then we also need to go further to the intellectual aspect of our personality, or the cognitive, how our thoughts are coming out. Is it more of positive or negative? And then we go through the emotion. If we think positive, naturally we feel good. If we think negative, naturally we feel sad or angry. We go to behavioral, how we cope, how we behave. And then lastly is the spiritual. So when we talk about mental health, it encompasses all these 5 aspects in our life. So it should be balanced. First manifestation of mental illness is usually the sleep. It pertains to impaired, meaning it can be excessive, tulog ng tulog, or lack of sleep, hindi nakakatulog. Kasabay nun, minsan hindi sila walang ganang kumain or kain ng kain. They tend to have experience hearing voices. Akala nila sinasapian when in fact it's the chemical imbalance, like we call it hallucination. There are cases also, patient with mga anxiety. They have palpitation and nervous that they think they go crazy or they might die anytime.
Kung may kosa malo si admiti kita kamags, kaya nesesita kita ayuda.
Mother, buta no? Ako naghilak dyan ko anak pag-abot niya kay wala man siya sa isip. O himuon na ginako tanan para sa akong anak. Aron siya maayo. Pagpasalamat ko ni sa ward diri nga, iya may gitabangan.
Because if we just stay with our belief, with our misconception na nakakahiya because of the stigma, we are just procrastinating things, and more often than not, we cannot address the problem right away.
Don't worry kamags, kay Aquino Ward 9.
Giatiman gyud mi pag-ayo, gi-entertain gyud mi pag-ayo. Mao na nga murag nabuhi ang among kuan, kay diri maayo gyud ang lahat.
They tell na yung mga siraulo, nananakit. Actually, we don't have it. Mas marami yan sa city jail. Wala dito sa amin. So, our patient, pag hindi naman sila napoprovoke, they are polite as they can be. In fact, most of them, they tend to say sorry. Sabihin na natin, brutal, sira ulo, may gamot. Pag matigas ang ulo, walang gamot doon. So, pag pumunta dito, we try to analyze their problem, and sometimes, by giving medication and proper advices and making the patient and the relatives aware of the symptoms, it's easier to handle the problem. And please feel free to come in. It's easier to handle the burden rather than you just stay at your home without asking for any help. So we are just here, open to serve the public.
Aquino Ward 9 Kikay, it taught me na nesesita gad kita bisya ko nila, kasi kay hente gayud sila, no pwede gad kita ase de broma ko nila. Por ka sa Aquino Ward 9, ta pwede gad kita man learn el mga life's little lessons, kabarta kita pagad kita bueno hente.
Wow, Berna, ito yung realization, ha?
Muchísimas gracias gayod na Mag TV at ya queda yo vida guest aura. Si ustedes también quiere que Vida guest para na un episodio de Mag TV, anda lang na facebook.com/magtv. Di aton
Y también para ng mga missed episodes, anda lang na i1tv.com.ph and watch us anytime, anywhere. Thank you to Plains and Prince for my garb today, and of course, get well soon ko na di among senior executive producer and TV production head, si Ma'am Kelly Bernardo.
Gracias naman to everyone who made this episode possible. 9 is indeed a very wonderful number, Kikay.
And this is Region 9's #1 telemagazine show. Hasta na siguiente Domingo ulit mga kamags, Mag
TV, di aton tatak lokal, tatak regional.